Renault Arkana show car is a distinctive coupe crossover that meets new worldwide demands and expectations of our customers. It shows an astonishing balance between the elegance of a sedan and the sturdiness of an SUV. As such, it's innovative in this new segment, and it can be used for off-road and on-road, town and country, winter and summer travel. The Arkana show car features a powerful and elegant and expressive design. You can see that through the muscular shapes, the 19-inch wheels, the wide wheel arches, very high ground clearance and 4x4 transmission. And for the elegance, we have a beautiful roofline, sophisticated chrome trim detailing, a glass roof, and of course, beautiful LED lighting signature as you're used from Renault. So this new concept, a coupe crossover, fits in perfectly with our worldwide strategy to please all the customers.
Renault Arkana Coupe Crossover will play a major role in the development of the Renault brand in Russia. We have the ambition for Renault brand to take 10% of the Russian market, which itself will represent the first market of the Group Renault worldwide. So this is a clear contributor to the growth of the company. And this car will be made in a Moscow plant, which is adding also an opportunity in terms of manufacturing operations. But Renault Arkana will also grow in other regions of Renault, especially in Asia. So today it's a very important day with this world premiere, and I wish long life to Renault Arkana.